Why are bells made of metals? Are wires in your home made of wood or plastic? No, right? They are made of metals. Metals have some special physical properties that make them perfect for many uses, from shiny jewelry to tough car bodies to wires that light up our homes. Let's explore what makes metals so unique. Metals have a shiny appearance, which we call luster or metallic luster. When polished, they reflect light beautifully. That's why gold and silver are used in jewelry and decorations. Gold, silver, copper, aluminium, these are all metals that have a metallic shine. But there are exceptions too. Some metals like sodium and potassium lose their shine quickly because they react with air and get a dull surface. So they are not usually seen as shiny, lustrous uh, metals. Now, metals produce a ringing sound when struck. This is called sonority. That's why bells, cymbals, and musical instruments are made of metals like bronze and copper. There are exceptions here too. Lead and mercury are metals but not sonorous. They don't produce a ringing sound. This is interesting. Metals can be beaten into thin sheets without breaking. This property is called malleability. Gold and silver can be hammered into very thin foil, uh, so thin that thousands of them make just a few millimeters. That's why gold foil is used in jewelry designs and decorations. There are exceptions here too. Metals like zinc and arsenic are not malleable, they break when hammered. Now, metals can be drawn into thin wires as well. This is called ductility. This property is called ductility. Copper and aluminium are highly ductile. That's why they are used to make electrical wires. There are exceptions here as well. Mercury, being a liquid, can't be drawn into wire at all. Now, most important property of metal, which is the electrical conductivity. Metals are good conductors of electricity, meaning they allow electric current to pass through them easily. That's why copper and aluminium are used in electrical wiring, right? Yes. Now, metals are good conductors of heat as well. They quickly transfer heat from one end to the another. That's why cooking utensils are made of metals like aluminium, copper, and steel. Here we have exceptions here as well. Mercury and lead conducts heat less efficiently. So these are the physical properties of metal. That is, metals are lustrous, sonorous, malleable, ductile, and good conductors of heat and electricity. These properties make metals useful in jewelry, cooking utensils, electrical wires, vehicles, and musical instruments. Now look around you right now. How many metallic objects can you spot? Can you guess which properties make them useful or why that particular metallic object is there in front of you? What property are you making use of it?